On this video, I want to show you my top 3 digital products that are selling at a phenomenal rate. They are only 2 months old and they have a massive growth rate and they are trending hugely, guys. And guys, I keep saying it, if you love videos like this, you love selling digital products, you love Etsy, you love AI, you love all of that good stuff and making money online, then remember, please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to check out my channel. I've got over 850 videos of tutorials dedicated just for you and helping you make money, so please do check them out. Now listen, this is my first digital product that is growing at a phenomenal rate and making very good money. Now check this out. This digital product is your Santa and Reindeer Christmas clip arts. Now, as you know, Christmas is fast approaching, and this is a bestseller right now. It's actually only a 1 month old listing. Using Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool, you can see that it's making over $3,000 per month just for one listing, guys. Now, this trend is massive. It is growing at a rate of 2,400% right now. So it's absolutely phenomenal. Now, let me tell you why it's working. Because the Santa and reindeer combination right now is big. And on top of that, this seller has produced fantastic, beautiful, whimsical designs in this kind of humorous style that really has captured the imagination of lots of people. And people are flocking to this store because they love this design style. So not only is it about the elements of Santa and reindeer that is working really well and people are looking for this kind of clip art, but because of the style that this seller has created, these beautiful 28 PNGs that is really attracting many customers. So this is a huge bestseller, guys. But listen, this is only a 1 month old listing and it shows you the power of how something that works can sell very quickly. And this is selling very quickly, over $3,000, guys, right? In 1 month. It is phenomenal. Imagine you got 10 of those. We're talking $30,000. So that is my top digital product for this month that is selling fantastically well. Only 1 month old. Let's move on to the next one. My second hugely trending digital product that is only a 2 month old listing. It's a bestseller. It's got great conversion. It is this mega bundle of 200 Merry Christmas style words, clip arts, PNG bundle. It looks fantastic. People love value. And as Christmas is approaching, they love to get these kind of PNGs so that they can use them on whether it be their cards, Christmas cards, anything that they want to use it during Christmas. They have a massive bundle of 200 PNGs. Now, this is the kind of thing that would sell year after year, but this is a new listing and it just shows you the power of doing something like this. Now, bundles are the key thing here. Bundles always sell very well for PNGs, really well. So if you're selling clip arts or you're selling kind of designs, then remember you must bundle them up. Now, using Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool, again, it is making over $1,000 per month for this single listing. It is trending at a growth rate of 1,100%. Now, yes, this is attributed to Christmas coming up and approaching. And obviously, at the time of doing this video, right now, we are in November. So obviously, this is prime time for this kind of thing. And it's all about timing, guys. It's all about timing. I keep saying it. Remember, list up early. Make sure that the visibility is there. The Etsy algorithm can favor you, can see you, can want to push you. And this is what it's about. But it also shows you when there's a huge demand, a huge surge on Etsy, and people are looking for something specific like big bundles of Merry Christmas words like this, then they will sell very quickly. So that is your second fantastic digital product idea. Let's move on to the third fabuloso idea right now. Okay, moving on to the third and final idea, fantastic trending idea that is only 2 months old. Also, it's a bestseller, boom. It's got 20 plus in a basket, boom. It's your very simplistic, very simple, preppy stroke Christmas tree combination. They've got a fantastic mock-up of the sweater here to show you what it looks like, but obviously this is only a digital download. You are not getting a sweater, as people sometimes get mistaken. You're definitely not getting it for this price. But what I'm trying to say is Christmas trees works really well. This bow tie coquette, look, I told you about coquette bow tie. It is fantastic. And you put that in a combination, somehow it'll work and it will sell. In this case, it is selling really well. Now, if I go to the analysis using Everbee, you will see that this is a 2 month old listing making $605. Only 2 months old, guys. It's got a 500% growth rate. So this is actually jumping up and selling fantastically well. But what's making it sell is this different Christmas tree with the coquette bow tie combination with this very simple written style Merry Christmas underneath it, right? Easy, simple, but the combination here is what makes it work, right? Christmas tree and the coquette bow tie in that kind of very simple line format style, but it works well. And I think the mock-ups really sell the product. And this is why I'm saying, guys, sometimes, I mean, you got the mock-ups that will sell your product fantastically well. You know, yes, the design will be good, but the mock-ups, if you've got them on point, then it can really catapult your sales. And obviously, if it's something that people are looking for, Christmas with a coquette bow tie, then obviously that is something that people are already searching for. So in terms of relevancy, it will get pushed up and the Etsy algorithm will capture it and push it out there. But this is a prime example of something that can sell. Very recent listing, but because the demand is there for this, it is selling fantastically well. And guys, those are my 3 fabuloso ideas selling fantastically well with really big growth rate at the time of doing this video. And remember, if you do love videos like this, do say trends in the comments below and I will do more of these. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.